Chef Jeff, the Rogue Chef here, doing a coffee glaze. Started with 2 cubes of sugar. They seem to dissolve a little bit better. And then we have this awesome coffee jam that I picked up at a spice shop in Old Town St. Charles. You should go there sometime. And we get some nice freshly brewed coffee, about 12 ounces. And then some Trader Vic's Kona coffee liqueur, about a cup of that. It's really the best coffee liqueur out there. A little espresso powder, a couple tablespoons. As you can see, I don't really measure it. And then we'll turn the heat on medium to medium high to start. As you can see, it's bubbling, a little small boil, not a big rolling boil. And we're just gonna reduce this over time. And as you see the small bubbles, you can tell it's still got a lot of water in it. And we're just trying to boil all that out and condense it down and reduce it. Here you can see the bubbles getting a little bit bigger. As it reduces, the bubbles get bigger. And you see this is about what stage you want to turn this off at. I've turned it off, let it cool slightly. And so it just coats the back of a spoon. Here you can run your finger and see that it doesn't rub. And now we'll just let this cool a little longer. Brush on top of our Espresso Brownies. And this will give it an extra boost of coffee flavor. Let's go Rogue.